Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, all that good stuff. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a really quick protective style using a drawstring ponytail, and of course the details of the hair will be listed in my description box as well. So for starters, I of course have my hair freshly washed. I do have it stretched out. If you guys need a video on how to pre-stretch your hair, I do have a heatless version of that available, so definitely make sure to check it out. So far, I'm just going to part off one box on the left, one box on the right. You guys know I'm working on some products for you, so yeah, I'm still in the process of just kind of being that test dummy, making sure I like the way that everything kind of works in my hair and things like that. So yeah, please hold. Another recommendation, I guess, for an edge control or leave-in, of course, would be like the Mielle products or anything Cream of Nature. You guys know I absolutely love them. I've been using them for years. So for now, use what works best on your hair type. So what we're going to be doing is something similar to like the rubber band parts that you used to do back in the day, the connect parts. So you can kind of decide how it is that you want your parting area to be. But for me, I wanted to just kind of do something that was really simple, easy for anybody to do, and yeah, it was quick. So it literally took me about 15 minutes just to get my hair all kind of styled up, taking the edge control on my little parts. I'm going to go ahead and smooth this out. I believe I did add just a teensy bit of gel here. I don't remember which one I used, but more than likely it would have been the Cream of Nature. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take one rubber band. If you want to be extra secure, you can use two, but to be honest, I don't like when my rubber bands are like overly tight, so I stuck with the one and called it a day. And then of course just kind of styling up the little baby hairs here. So I'm going to be braiding this down. So once you get that set, ultimately what I'm going to be doing is connecting this box part to the one directly behind it, putting everything in a ponytail and kind of going. So this, when I say this is super easy, I mean anybody could do it. Anybody. So I really don't have much here for you guys. Enjoy the content. Leave any comments or questions down below. You guys don't want to miss that Grow Baby Grow giveaway. So if you have not already entered, definitely make sure to check out my previous video so that you guys are able to get all the details on this. And yeah, that's pretty much that on that, because before I did this video, I actually did a very detailed hot oil treatment along with a deep conditioning routine. So definitely make sure to check it out. My hair is looking happy, healthy, and growing. Alright, so we have our ponytail complete. You guys can see if your hair is long enough, obviously you can definitely just leave this little bun. My bun actually didn't look too bad, but I wanted to take it up a little bit here. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the drawstring pony. Sometimes I'll do it from the sides or from the front to the back. Here I wanted the ponytail to look a little bit more, I guess, exaggerated. So I used the clip in the front, clip in the back, and then I tightened it around, of course, my actual ponytail. The reason that I did go ahead and apply, I kind of did like a twist out with some foam rollers because I wanted to kind of give it a little bit of texture. The hair was wet and kind of just, you know, on the way to dry. So that's just pretty much that. But I love the way that this looks. It looks super duper hydrated, moisturized, and nobody would ever even know that this was not my hair. So an amazing protective style. I didn't have my ponytail too tight at all. If you want, you could definitely take down your ponytail at nighttime. That way you can kind of, you know, relieve some of that tension on your head, and then go ahead and pop that baby back in the morning and you're good. So yes, loves, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. You guys can see here, I just wanted to kind of hide that band area a little bit more so we kind of pick the hair out. This is perfect for, like, I would definitely say like a pool party. If you guys know you're going to be somewhere near water, you want your hair to be up but still kind of look that nice and natural look, looking healthy and refreshed, this is it. A nice, pretty, all year round hairstyle. So I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.